Good day everyone. So we are the group 5 and we are going to discuss about the employee champion. So what is the difference between a company that crushes and burns and a company that makes a billion? Simply because it is not only about their product, it is because of the people. But who look after those people? It is the employee champion. They aren't just an HR. They are the advocates, the listeners, and the change makers. They are also the voice for the voiceless and the heart of the company's culture. So please listen carefully because my group mates will discuss the points of definition.
So the first thing is giving acknowledgement. Giving acknowledgement means is a simple thank and recognize to an employee who always does their best at work. It shows appreciation for their hard work, positive attitude, and the help they give to the team.
So the best example of giving acknowledgement is when an employee reached the quota for this month, the manager will acknowledge his or her effort.
Hey everyone, today I will discuss one of the important roles of human resource management, which is employee champion. This role focuses on supporting employees and listen to their needs. This means HR communicates with employees, understand their concerns, and take action to solve their problems. HR becomes the bridge between management and workers. When employees feel heard, respected, and treated fairly, they become more motivated, productive, and loyal to the company. Example, na inireklamo nga employees kay kanang permira sila pa overtime mon, unya kanang kapoy na kay sila usahay kanang dili pa sila ka dinner, unya niubos na ang ilang performance. So, as a HR, kanang dapat aksyonan dayon nimo ang ilang reklamo, dapat imong solusyonan, like kanang mag-add mo og kanang employees dayon imong tarongon ang schedule. So, in that way dili na kay sila kapuyon.
I am Camille S. Capon, and I will explain making sure they are treated fairly, which is part of being an employee champion. An employee champion is someone who stands up for workers. They make sure they are respected and valued in the workplace. This means they make sure that everyone follows the same rules and no one is given special treatment without any reason. And also employees have equal chances to grow and succeed. They also listen to employees' problems and try to solve them in a fair way. In simple words, employee champion protects workers and make sure they are treated right. That's all.
Example of being fair is example kanang naay kanang empleyado makabuok ni sayop. So dapat ang isa kay kuan kanang daan na din, ang isa kay baguhan. So dapat kay sila pareha man sila nagkanasayop, silang duha imong istoryahon, dili kay imong paminawon is ang kanang kuan kanang daan. Kay ang porket baguhan mo imong kasaban, dili para fair is kanang imo silang tugan aw imo silang itok both. Di lang ka one-sided.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Eugene Umagit. I can explain keeping employees motivated and engaged means ensuring employees respond I am committed to their work and the organization. The employees are motivated to perform better, show initiative, and stay loyal to the company.
I'm Rochelle de Valencia. I will be giving the example of keeping employees motivated and engaged. So for example, in a call center company, when employees become stressed due to high costs and strict deadlines, so the manager motivated them by giving bonuses, recognizing top employees, allowing them short mental health breaks, and organizing team buildings, which help employees their morale and performance.